Hello, in front of me I've got TCL 406. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter security and biometrics. Go to screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, PIN and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's start with 2 non-security screen locks, which is non and swipe. Now let's select password. To create it, enter at least 4 characters. Next, let's select PIN number. To create it, enter at least 4 digits. And in the end, let's select pattern, and to create it, connect at least 4 dots. Once it's done, we can go to biometrics, simply enter face unlock and scan your face via front camera. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.